students. Are you feeling good after your break time? That's good. Now let's start with our next lesson. Our next lesson will be mathematics. The objectives of today's lesson is to count objects from number 46 to 50 and also to use shapes to represent numbers. Now, before we proceed to our book, let's do a short revision. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Very good. So now, let's see the numbers one by one. Okay, the number together with the wording. 46. 4 and 6 together will be 46. F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. 46. 47. 4, 7, 47. F-O-R-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 47. 48. 4, 8, 48. F-O-R-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. 48. 49. 4, 9, 49. F-O-R-T-Y-N-I-N-E. 49. And the last number 50. 5 and 0 together 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Very good. Now let's take out your activity book for mathematics and turn to page number 14. Don't forget to take your pencil and eraser together with you. Page 14. Write today's day, Wednesday, and the date 25 August 2021. Let's read the instruction given. Numbers 46 to 50. Trace the numbers, then match the set of dots to show the numbers given. So we are going to trace the number first. Then we have to count the dots on both sides. And then we have to match the set of dots that shows the number you have traced. So if 48, both the columns should be added together and become 48. Okay? So let's do. Teacher will guide you one by one. 48. So first, let's take your pencil and trace the number. Very good. Okay, after that, we are going to count the circles. Okay, so remember, teacher told you that one group will be 10. Okay, for example here, 10, 20. So, write down there 20. Okay, make sure you write it small in the space given there. Okay? Very good. So, let's move on to the next one. 46. So, let's trace the number. Make sure you trace nicely on the line. And then, let's count the dots in the box there. The first group 10, second group 20, 30. Okay, now 30. Let's continue count the separated one. Okay? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So you write there 36. Very good. The next one. 49. 4 and 9 together will be 49. Let's trace the number. Very good. Okay, now after that, what should we do? We count the set of dots there. 10. Okay, so the next set is not incomplete. So, the next set before is incomplete. So, we have to count it one by one. So, after 10, we continue with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. So you write there 19. Okay, the next one. 5 and 0. 50. Let's trace the number 50. Very good. So now let's count the dots there. So we have 3 complete sets of dots. So 10, 20, 30. So let's write there 30. Very good. And the last one, 47. Okay, so teacher have traced the number. And then we have only one set of number there. So 10. Okay, very good. So you have traced the numbers and you have count the sets of dots on one side. So we have to count the sets of dots on the other side to help us to match the set of dots to get the number given. So let's continue with the other side. Okay, the first one. Let's count together. 10, 20. 2 sets of dots. So we have 10 and 20. So take your pencil and let's write there 20. Okay, the next one. 10, 20, 30. Very good. Make sure you write the numbers after you count, okay? If you didn't write, it can be confusing for you. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 10, 20, and the next one we have to count one by one because it is not complete. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Very good. So you write there 28. Okay, the next one. You are doing good. So let's continue. 10, 20, 30. Very good. So 30, let's continue. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Very good. And the last one. Again, we have only one set of dots and it is 10. Okay, so make sure you have written like this on your book. So teacher will continue with the next one. So teacher will continue with the next one. So you will see clearly. Okay, but in your book you can circle like this. Okay, so teacher will show like this so that you can see it clearly. So you can see here we have traced the numbers and count the sets of dots that they have given. So now how to do this? How to match? So let's see one more time from the beginning. 48. So we need to find the match for number 48. But the given dots here is only 20. So we need to find the balanced dot. To find the balanced dot, what should you do? Yes, you should minus. So 48 minus 20. Okay, so you have to do it like this so that you can find the remaining set of dots. Okay, you cannot simply match to the set of dots. So let's start with the ones first. 8 minus 0. 8 take away 0 will be 8. Very good. After that, let's continue with the tens. 4 minus 2. 4 take away 2. Yes, it will be 2. So 48 minus 20 is 28. So can you find 28 on the set of dots on the other side? Yes, teacher can find 2. So what should you do? You take your ruler and you match it. So now you can see that 20 and 28 together will be 48. Very good. Now let's move on to the next one. 46. So the set of dots that had been given is 36. So you have to find out how many more you need to make it 46. So again we are going to minus 46. 46 minus 36. So let's start with the ones first. 6 minus 0. 6 take away 6. So everything is gone, so it's 0. And after that, 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 1. Can you find 10 there? 46 minus 36 is 10. Very good. And then the next one, 49. But the given set of dot is only 19. So how much more you need to get 49? So again, 49 minus 19. So let's start with the ones first. 9 minus 9. Again, the answer is 0. And the tens, 4 minus 1 is 3. Very good. So 19 plus 13. So you have to match 19 to 30. Now 19 together with 30 will be 49. So very good students. Teacher have guided you to answer these 3 questions. Okay. Now it's your turn to do the 50 and 47. Okay. Remember, you should minus to find the right answer. Can you do that? Very good. So that's all for our mathematics today. Thank you so much and bye-bye.